Yeah, that's a, oh my god, it's a really good. Oh my gosh. He ain't happy. Covers off. And we're going fishing. It's awful out, but rain moved out, so we've got a few hours, and we're gonna make the most of it here. See you out there. All right, boys and girls, we are out here on the lake today. It's kind of cold. It's in the 40s. It rained all morning. It's still kind of drizzling right now, so the conditions are not great. It's kind of not fun to be out here. There's only like 2 other boats at the ramp, so lake's going to be pretty empty. It's not windy, so there's that. That's a good thing. So we're gonna go out here, get into the creek channel, and we're just gonna drag some skipjack, got some chicken, and see if we can't catch some catfish. So let's go. Still a little frozen. And this knife is getting a little dull. Just like cutting ice. Okay. I'll get one more out of him in a minute, but I want to get some baits down now because we're right where those 2 creeks merge, and I think we're gonna have a good little spot today right here. Okay. So I got this stuff, never used it, so dead red blood spray. We're gonna, supposedly a catfish attractant, so for your baits and lures, so I'm gonna spray it on off the boat. I don't really know what to expect out of it, so I was just gonna come out or anything. I don't know how much supposed to really put on. I don't think it's supposed to be that much, but I want to see if that could potentially alter anything, increase our chance. That got twisted in. There it goes. Okay. There it is. I don't know if I feel him anymore. Yep, okay, he's on there. Yes, all right, now let me get this boat turned. We are going way in the wrong direction. Okay, we're gonna bring him to the front. Let's just hope he's hooked up good. Yeah, I still feel something. Only in about 25 feet of water. Looks like a good little, can't tell. Might be a channel. Yep. There he is. Not a bad little channel either at all. Let me get the boat facing the right direction. Get him on in here. I don't know how good he's hooked. Oh, he's hooked good. Oh, he wasn't hooked good. Well, there you go. Don't ever do that. That's what happens when you don't net a fish. God, I'm an idiot. There he was. I mean, he wasn't the biggest thing, but it was a fish, so that sucks. Ugh. I think that was chicken. Yeah, he sucked in the chicken. I'll be. That's the first. Oh, that sucks too. That's another thing that sucks. That's the first catfish I've ever actually had hit a piece of chicken. I ain't never had any luck with chicken. So that's cool. I mean, it's probably a 5-6 pound channel. I think I got him on the chest cam, but didn't get him in the boat, so I don't really count it as landing a fish because I made the screw up. I just screwed up. Ugh. Disappointed in myself. Yep. Oh well, let's find another one. Let's get a blue. Maybe we can get us a 20 pound blue. That'd be nice. So that's probably, that might be could be a fish on that one. We did. We hooked into this one. Spot lock us here. Oh yeah, okay. Make sure that worked. Take that off. He's on there. It's pulling good. I think it's gonna be a channel again. I don't know if we're gonna have any blues today. Don't know about the blues today. Okay. Oh no, this actually might be a blue. The way he's jerking back down, it might actually be a blue. Nope, it is another channel. Channels are some strong fish. I know that much. That's a bigger one. Much bigger one. I don't even have the net open to get him. gonna let him just roll around for a minute. He's a bigger channel than the last one too. Well, this thing done got messed up. Here, that'll be the best it is for now. Get him in that net and he ain't going anywhere. It's a big old channel. There we go. There we go. Big old channel. Whew. I'm gonna weigh him because I am honestly curious as to how much he is. But first, we gotta get that hook out, so. Okay. All right. That's a fat old channel. Come here, I'm gonna try to get these on you. And then weigh you. I know you don't want my finger in there, do you? Come on. You're getting some blood on my boat. Maybe 8. I could be terribly wrong. Zeroed out. And what are you? It's 8.4. 8.5 pounds. It's a good sized channel. All right. I'm gonna get you back in there, dude. All right. Come on. Appreciate it, dude. Thank you very much. And that was on skipjack. Yeah, I threw out that skipjack again. That's right. All right. We're almost at the mouth of the creek here, and we might pull up and make one last run heading back towards the ramp. We only got about an hour, so need to make the most of the time. And still looking for that blue. I want a blue today. So let's see how it goes. Got a hit right there. Got one. Oh, baby. Yes. Oh. Let me hit the spot lock on that. We're in this creek getting near the mouth. I don't want him in those other lines, so let's come around here. See if I can't pull him this way. Away. Oh, this is a good fish. Yeah, that's a, oh my god, that's a really good. Oh my god. He ain't happy. Oh my gosh, he is pulling drag. I've loosened it, I've tightened it. Getting the net ready on this one. I don't know, man. I mean, I definitely don't think it's a channel the way he's fighting and pulling, but this is a decent fish. Strong fighting fish here. It's not even that huge. Dang, it is another channel, but he's a fighter. Is it? Well, I can't. Jesus, he does not want to come up. Yep, there's a whole channel. He's bigger than the last one. Get him in there. Yes. Ooh. That is it, baby. That is it. He is bigger than the last one. Oh, goodness gracious. right behind the boat, dragging through this creek. Oh, that's a good one. I'm gonna weigh him too because I want to see how much. I think he's a little bit bigger than the last one, not a whole lot, but let's get you off here, dude. All right. Get you your show. Whew. That is a good size channel. A lot of areas in the country, they don't even have them this size. That is a solid channel cat. So, like I said, let's weigh him. Let's get this scale zeroed out. All right, zeroed. Hook it and let's see. 11. Oh my God, I thought he was, yeah, I said 10. But he's coming in at 11.42. 11.42. That's a solid fish. Whew. All right. Thank you, buddy. That was awesome. That was a good fight. You are a strong old fish. All right. Yeah, you gotta let go now. There we go. That was a fighter right there. That was a fighting old fish. Whew. That was fun. All right, so we're just idling back to the ramp. It was a good day. I mean, landed 2 fish in the boat, 2 channels, the 11.5, 8.5 channel. Didn't net the one because I'm stupid, so we won't count him. So we'll say 2 fish. It was good. That was a stretch of the creek that I've never actually dragged before, so it was good to actually get some hits there and actually catch some fish. So we're gonna wrap this up. I gotta get out of here. I stayed a little later than I should have, so I gotta get home, but hopefully I can fish tomorrow or the next day. So the weather's supposed to be nice, so we'll see. But at any rate, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. It really helps out to grow this channel. Also, just a huge thank you. Over 250 subscribers in exactly a month. Yesterday was pretty much the 1 month mark and hit 250. So thanks to everybody who has subscribed so far. Do appreciate it. Yeah, truly I do. But I'm gonna keep working at this, keep improving fishing. Also with the videos and the editing, just, you know, making it more entertaining, and to put out something decent so for everybody to watch. But main thing's catching fish though. So again, thank you, and we'll see you on the next one.